Hi, welcome back. In the last tutorial, we saw how to add a new user. In this video, we will learn how to use the User Management Console to edit a user and what data we can change. Let's go to the User Management Console again. From the main menu, select User Management, then Users. Select the pencil icon next to the user you want to edit. This opens a page similar to the user's profile page. Like the user profile page, it has 3 tabs for personal details, permissions, and security. On the personal details page, you can make changes to the name, email address, and phone number. Making changes to the email address will trigger a verification email to be sent to the user. You can optionally mark the user's email and phone numbers as verified. Naturally, you should only do this if you are certain the data is correct and you trust this user. Unlike the user's own profile page, you cannot change their password. The Permissions tab in this console allows you to change the permissions assigned to the user. To add a permission, check the box next to each permission you want to add and uncheck any box that you no longer wish the user to have permission to do, and then click Update. The permissions list is paginated, but you can display all permissions at the same time if you wish. A full list of permissions and their function is available on the support pages. The Security tab displays the user status and the verification state of their email and phone number. This page also allows you to generate a password reset email for the user. For users that are new and have not yet logged in for the first time, there is an option to resend their temporary password. When a user has set up two-factor authentication, a Disable MFA for User button is displayed. This allows you to disable the two-factor authentication for a user. This can be useful if the user has lost their phone with their authentication app, for example, or changed their phone without making provision for changing authentication methods. You can exit from the user by clicking on the close icon on the bottom right of the screen.